Take the stand off of Tesla's boat and use this part here to push in these two buttons. Once we do that, we can move the rotor off to the side and drop out the fin and this rod. Now we can see that this rod does go in here, but it doesn't go in any further than it was before, and it doesn't help us. Now if we flip over to the front of the boat, we can see that this piece here can go in here, but it doesn't do anything. This fin can also push on the bottom here. So push in this fin and push this piece in and let go of the fin. That now allows us to push this piece down and then flip over the boat to the top. And you can see there is a lock symbol inside of here, and this piece does move back and forth. You can see there are notches on there and notches on the lock. Take this piece and push up and twist the rotor inside until you reveal an unlock symbol. Now all you have to do is lift off the lid and find out what's hidden inside. Take something, hide it inside the boat, and lock it up.